Hi there. The purpose of this video is to cover replacing the BOA S2 components on your Specialized Evo and Rime mountain bike shoes. You can obtain the BOA S2 components either from Specialized or from boatechnology.com. It will come as a simple whole unit that simply needs to be replaced by one screw. As opposed to other BOA dials, the BOA S2 comes as one unit and does not require any disassembly. In other words, do not take the dial cover off. To replace the BOA S2 reel unit, we simply need your standard bike tool with a 3mm hex key and the replacement BOA S2 reel. Please take special note to notice on the back side of the unit there will be a red dot which signifies this is designed to go on the right shoe, or a blue dot which is designed to go on the left shoe. Once you ensure that you have the correct BOA unit, then we simply take our bike tool, insert into the screw, and remove the screw, and the rest of the unit will come out. Then we take the new unit, replace the screw, simply screw into place, and as simply as that, we have a new fully functioning BOA reel on your S2 Specialized Evo and Rime shoes.